In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Affirm with a credit card, step by step, 2025. First, an important note so you know exactly what to expect. Affirm does not currently allow you to make loan payments directly with a credit card. Accepted methods are a debit card, a linked bank account, or an Affirm savings account. That policy exists to prevent debt stacking, where you'd be borrowing from one lender to pay another. With that in mind, there are still two practical ways to use your credit card indirectly. The first option is to pay with a debit card that's connected to your credit card account. Some banks offer this feature, but not all. So check with your bank and review any fees or terms before you rely on it. Once that debit card is set up and linked to your Affirm account, open the Affirm app or go to affirm.com. Log in using your mobile number or passkey, then head to payments and choose upcoming payments. Select the specific loan you want to pay, tap make payment, and when you're prompted for a method, pick the linked debit card that draws on your credit card. Confirm the amount, review the details, and submit. You should see an on-screen confirmation and shortly after, an update in your account. The second option is to fund your bank account with your credit card, then pay Affirm from that bank account. This typically happens through a cash advance or a bank transfer feature from your card issuer. Be careful here. Cash advances often come with high fees and interest that start right away, so use this only if you understand the costs. After the funds appear in your bank account, open the Affirm app, choose your bank account as the payment method, and make your loan payment as you normally would. Processing times can vary, so allow a little buffer if you have a due date coming up. A few final tips to keep you on track. Remember, direct credit card payments to Affirm are blocked by design, so stick to a debit card, a bank account, or an Affirm savings account. If you use a debit card tied to a credit line or you move funds via a cash advance, always review fees and posting times beforehand. And after you submit any payment, double-check your transaction history in the Affirm app to confirm it went through and your balance reflects the change. That's it. Simple, clear, and compliant with Affirm's current rules.